Do you know the single biggest mistake that most people make? They waste their time on distractions, on meaningless tasks, and on things that have zero value for their future. Every day, countless hours are thrown away. Hours that could have been used to build a dream, master a skill, or create a better life. And let me tell you one thing, if you keep wasting your time like this, you'll never succeed. Time is the one resource you can never get back. You can lose money and earn it again. You can lose friends and make new ones. But when you lose time, it's gone forever. Think about that. Right now, while you're watching this video, someone else in the world is working toward their goals, using their time wisely, and inching closer to success. And what are you doing? Wasting your most valuable asset. The value of time? Let's talk about time. Why is it so important? Because time is life. Every second, every minute, every hour that passes is a piece of your life that you'll never get back. You might think you have plenty of time. After all, you're young, and life seems like it'll last forever. But the truth is, time is fleeting. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Before you know it, you'll look back and wonder where all that time went. And here's the harsh truth. Most people waste the majority of their lives on things that don't matter. They spend hours scrolling through social media, watching pointless videos, or hanging out with people who bring no value to their lives. They procrastinate, make excuses, and wait for the perfect moment to start working on their dreams. But guess what? That perfect moment doesn't exist. The only moment you have is right now. What happens when you waste time? Every second you waste is a second closer to failure. Think about this. If you waste 1 hour a day, that's 365 hours a year. That's over 15 full days. And if you waste 2 hours a day, that's 30 days, a whole month gone. Imagine what you could accomplish in a month if you focused on your goals instead of wasting time. Wasting time doesn't just slow you down. It kills your potential. It creates a habit of laziness and complacency. The more time you waste, the harder it becomes to break out of that cycle. You start to believe that it's okay to procrastinate, to delay your dreams, and to settle for mediocrity. But it's not okay. It's never okay. The people who succeed in life are not necessarily the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who use their time wisely. They understand that every moment is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to get closer to their goals.